Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 330 GT xDrive. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 248 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. This one does come with carbon fiber mirrors. Red leather interior, panorama sunroof. Also comes with the M package, which is going to give you the M Performance embroidery. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our GT xDrive 330i badging, a power lift gate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming up front, this one does have a carbon fiber vinyl trim, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got a nice leather steering wheel with the M logo, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. A rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission, our buttons for media display. This BMW has 48,680 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW, check out feldmannimports.com.